Spotify recently revamped its web and desktop apps for premium users, making it easier to use across multiple platforms. With this update came the ability to drag and drop songs into a playlist, create descriptions and cover art, and most notably, the ability to download your playlist onto a computer with a desktop app. Now, this was already a feature for the Spotify mobile app, so I'm going to walk you through how to download your playlist on both. First, let's talk about the mobile app. You'll need to download the Spotify app on your phone and either create an account or log in. To start, make a playlist by going to your Library tab and hitting the plus icon in the top right corner. Name your playlist and hit Create, then you can start adding songs. Once you've queued up your playlist with the songs you want, then you can hit the arrow icon or the More Options icon to download the playlist. Now the arrow icon will turn green and all the downloaded songs will have a green arrow next to them. You can find your downloaded playlists by going back to your Library tab and sliding through the categories at the top of the screen. Select Downloaded and all of your offline playlists will show up here. Also, you can add more songs to a downloaded playlist, and when your phone is connected to Wi-Fi, it'll download the newly added songs as well. So you can keep adding songs to your offline playlist and listen on the go without interruption. Alright, now let's cover the desktop app. It's essentially identical to the mobile version, so you'll need to download the Spotify app onto your desktop and either sign in or create an account. Unfortunately, you can't download songs on the web player, but the desktop app is free. To make a new playlist on the desktop app, select Create Playlist on the left-hand column. Then you can change the title, add a cover image, and write a description for the playlist. Next, add whatever songs you want, and then you can download the playlist by clicking on the arrow icon or the More Options icon. Again, the download arrow will turn green, and an arrow will appear next to the downloaded songs in the playlist. And that's it! Now you can listen to your favorite songs offline while on your laptop or desktop. And if you do want to turn the download feature off, you can just hit the green arrow icon again, and it'll remove the songs from offline mode. Thanks for watching, and if you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to How to Do It All.